All right, TechU team, in this one, I want to go over how to properly set up a Facebook Messenger campaign, okay? So we've gone over a few things already. We're already in the back end here. First thing I'm going to do is make myself a little bit smaller, and I'm going to go up in the corner here, okay? So we're already in the back end of our Facebook Ad Manager. So we're going to come up to the top left, and we're going to hit Create, okay? As we know, we just did the last video going over everything. We want to make sure we're in engagement, and we want to go ahead and select engagement for that messenger right here, that messenger campaign, okay? So we're going to hit continue. And you can also do this from leads, but this is like the way I like to do it. So we want messaging apps, all right? So get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. That's where we want it to go to, okay? That's the easiest way, and that helps us use Facebook's functionality, okay? Step number 2 here is which one do we want to use, right? You can use both for sure, Messenger on Instagram and on Facebook. What I will say about this is that make sure that your pages, so right here where it says our Instagram, right here where it says our Facebook, make sure that your pages have some good quality content already. It's just gonna help people actually convert on the ad. If you don't have anything, or you just have sale, 20% off, we have this in stock, that's gonna deter people from actually sending you the message, right? So make sure on your pages you have good content there already, so that way it builds confidence in the customer, okay? So as you come through, we'll talk about budget in a separate video, and then we're going to talk about audience in a separate video as well, okay? So next step, we're just talking about the Facebook Messenger setup here, okay? So you can go here and we'll hit just add a random image, all right? So we are in the techie background. So we're going to hit this, we're going to hit done. Okay, so our ad is there, okay? So we want to make sure this primary text, that's what's going to stop somebody from scrolling, okay? So this is where we want to create a lot of value. So that's where we want to write our text right here, and it should populate right at the very top, okay? So this is a great opportunity to add in some sort of emoji, talk about your value add, but again, we talk about what makes a good creative in a different video. This is just setting up the Facebook Messenger campaign, okay? So this is where the important part is, right here. So this is the start conversation, so I want to go ahead and hit edit. Now, the great part about a Facebook Messenger campaign is what it does is when you actually see the ad, so I'm going to take a second, I'm going to back out here. So when you actually see the ad, let me scroll down on this. So you see right here where it says send message. So what happens is if a potential customer hits that send message, it doesn't give them an opportunity to back out. So as soon as they hit send message, it automatically sends the message, right? Now, the reason why this is good is if you look at like a lead campaign or something along those lines, what happens is they hit like learn more or sign up or whatever it is, then they have to go and individually put in their name, their email, their phone number, whatever it is. And that one opportunity can be the reason why someone backs out. So that's why a messenger campaign is so powerful, because as soon as they hit send message, now we'll go back into that section I was looking at before, it automatically does this. Hi, Nicholas. My name is Nick. Hi, Nicholas. Please let us know how we can help you. So that message gets sent automatically, okay? Now here's the even better part. You see right here, question number 1, where are you located? You can change this to whatever you want. So it'll give prompts. I have a broken iPhone 8. Can you fix that? So as you can see right here, now there's a prompt. So that customer doesn't actually have to type anything. It's literally there already. All they have to do is hit select. I have a broken iPhone 8. Can you fix that? And the automated response, as always, is absolutely, I spelled it wrong. I can, or absolutely we can. You know, whatever your response wants to be, we fix those all day long, right? And you can give options. You say, you know, whatever you think or whatever common questions that your customers are asking you, you can put here. They don't have to type it. Now, here's what's great about this. It gives something to communicate with, but what happens is you can go into your inbox. You can go into your inbox an hour, 2 hours later and have a conversation with them. So you'll go in and you'll say, hey, this is so-and-so, I'm the owner, or I'm the store manager, or I'm, you know, whatever it is, and you can actually have a conversation, and then you can convert that lead into a customer and bring them into the store just like you would on a phone call, okay? So these are completely up to you how you're gonna set up that campaign, all right? There is other ways, the more advanced ways to go ahead and have more conversations, but we're not going to go into that in this video. And then your next step, of course, is just to hit that publish button, and that ad is going to be live depending on when you scheduled it. All right, so that's how you really set up the Facebook Messenger campaign. And this video, really all we're talking about is this little section right here on why they're so powerful and what responses you should have for your customers. Okay, team?